Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my citrus and ginger tea recipe with you. This is so easy to make, yet packed with a lot of vitamins, and it's such an immune booster. So come along and let's get right into it. We are going to be needing some citrus fruits, and I'm using some sweet oranges, 1 lime, about 100 grams of ginger. We also need some lemons, and I'm using some grapefruit as well, but you can use any citrus fruit of your choice. Before we begin with the making of our tea, you want to clean your citrus fruits really well. I soaked mine in some vinegar solution for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to give it a good bath with soap. You might think that I'm being a little bit extra, but we are going to use the skins of the fruits. And I don't know how many people touched this before me in the supermarket, so I want to make sure that I clean it really well because I'd rather be safe than sorry. But you can go ahead and clean it any way that you feel comfortable with. After the soap bath, I'm going to rinse off all the soap and make sure that it is well clean and proceed with the next step. Now all you have to do is to slice your fruits. It doesn't matter how you slice it, as long as there is enough surface to extract the juice, you are good to go. I'm using all kinds of citrus fruits, but you don't have to use the same fruits as I am. You can use just oranges or just grapefruit or a mixture of oranges and lemon or lime. It doesn't really matter. However, if you are going to be adding grapefruit, make sure that you like grapefruit on its own. Grapefruit can be very sour, so if you don't like it on its own, then I will recommend you leave it out. In the meantime, I have peeled my ginger and cut it into pieces, and you can add this straight to your citrus fruits, but I like to have a very pronounced taste of ginger, so I blended mine and added it to my citrus fruit. I'm going to rinse my blender and add enough water to cover my citrus fruits and then transfer it to my stove. And in case you are wondering, I added about 2.5 liters of water to my citrus fruits. You want your citrus fruits submerged in your water. Now I transfer it to my stove and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to turn down your heat and allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Whilst your tea is simmering down gently, make sure to press on the fruit from time to time to help extract all of the juice from it. So you realize that the fiber is all broken down and there's basically nothing left in there. And when it gets to that point, you know that your tea is almost ready. However, make sure not to boil it for more than 15 minutes so you don't lose all the vitamins and the good properties that the citrus fruit has to offer. 15 minutes is all you need. Next, you want to go ahead and strain your tea and discard the skins of your citrus fruits. And your tea is ready to be served however you want to serve this. You can sweeten it with some sugar or honey. You can drink this super hot, cold, warm, or at room temperature. It is good in so many ways. And in case you have any leftover, you can keep this in your fridge and it will last for about 3 to 4 days. And when you want to have yourself some warm tea, you just warm this on your stove and not in your microwave so you don't lose all the properties in there. For the children, I sometimes add some strawberries just to lighten it up and make it extra sweet for them. I really hope that you try this immune boosting citrus and ginger tea, and I know you are going to love it. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, please take good care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.